Hello guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to untag yourself on a post on TikTok. Oh my god, someone tagged me in a post here and I don't like it. I don't want people tagging me on this post. Well, what you can do is head over to the video where someone tagged you and you can see down here your name next to the person's name. Just click on your name as your tag and just click on remove tag. And you actually have the option to tag, put it back. It's quite hard once you already remove it, but that is how you remove your tag on someone else's video on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe with it. This is Generation Rebel. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is very short, very short but knowledgeable. See you in the next one. Bye bye.